Hello everyone! In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a Sakura cosplay for a kid, but you can follow the same process to make it for an adult as well. I first bought some materials on AliExpress, 2 different types of tulle and also a thing called horsehair, which will help make the skirt more voluminous. And by the way, I also received this very pretty figurine, which costs only like $4. And it looks super pretty, so you can find the link in the description as well. Start by folding the fabrics in 4 parts and then cut the circular shape as shown in the video. Use your measuring tape as a compass to draw a perfect circle. Now layer 2 pieces of fabric to draw in the top patterns. You can find the patterns in the description. I added a small rectangular piece on the sides, in order to make the size a bit bigger. Now sew the top and the skirt together. It's time to use the horsehair. This material is a plastic net which will give your skirt some nice curves. Sew it around the bottom hem of the skirt without stretching it out. And turn it over so it stays hidden on the inner side of the skirt. Sew once again along the hem carefully. I finally sewed in a ribbon to make it look more cute. I didn't calculate any measurements here. Instead, I just took a long piece of tulle and sewed it with an elastic string, creating folds to make a voluminous petticoat. I also sewed in another piece of tulle into the original one, creating folds to give it even more volume. I used very similar patterns to make a white shirt, with the addition of some voluminous sleeves and a rectangular neck piece. I finally made a beret, but you can find a more complete and detailed tutorial of how to make it in my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box as well.